Look for loose sugar, like sandy mounds and subtle soil disturbances, where ants prefer to start colonies. Ants choose nesting sites based on soil texture, moisture, and compaction. So begin by feeling the soil with your fingers and observing surface patterns. Sandy, well-drained soils warm faster and often show small loose granules that resemble sugar or coffee grounds where workers eject soil, while clay soils form firmer domes and fine powdery exits that can be mistaken for collapsed roots. Inspect perimeter beds, mulched areas, and the edges of walkways because ants favor the transition between compacted paths and looser planting zones where tunneling is easier and food sources are nearby. Pay special attention to sunny patches and raised planting areas, since heat and drainage encourage many species to nest there, and check near vegetable beds where moisture cycles attract both ants and other insects they farm or prey on. Use a hand trowel to gently probe suspected mounds at the edge to confirm activity without destroying the colony. Active tunnels will feel airy and may show worker movement or return tracks within a few minutes. For a more systematic survey, map your yard into quadrants and record every suspicious mound so you can spot new colonies over time and target treatments before they expand. When treating, apply strategies that match the nest type, such as localized dry granules for sandy mounds and soil drenches for compacted burrows, and always follow label instructions and safety precautions. Common mistakes are confusing ant soil ejecta with regular garden debris, which leads to missed early detection. Solve this by moistening a small area and looking for renewed activity and worker traffic within 10 to 15 minutes. Another issue is treating only visible surface mounds, which ignores satellite nests. Prevent recurrence by surveying surrounding soil within a 3-foot radius and repeating treatment or removals where disturbance reveals fresh excavation. A third frequent problem is focusing treatment on shaded damp spots when many pest species prefer sunlit, well-drained patches near walkways and vegetable plots. Broaden inspection to include sunny borders and raised beds and adjust control methods based on whether the soil is loose, sandy, or compacted clay. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to yard and pest management projects. We also host a discussion community where our users share observations, photos, and techniques so we can learn together.